Hello geeks, it's that time again for another exciting episode of Jobs Weekly, where we bring you the latest updates from the tech industry and we also highlight some fantastic job opportunities for you. I'm your host Amrita,
And I'm Priyank.
and we are here to guide you through the dynamic world of tech careers. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. IT companies see more CVs than they did 3 months ago, says InfoEdge. InfoEdge, the parent company of Naukri and IIM Jobs, reports a surge in IT job postings and resume views on its platform compared to 3 to 4 months ago. This uptick in activity reflects potential recovery in the IT sector, with a 5% rise in the recruitment revenue to Rs 481 crore in March quarter. Utilization levels for IT services firms are rebounding post-COVID, contributing to increased demand for skills like AI, ML, and data analytics. InfoEdge also saw billings growth of 11% in the IT segment and 12% in the non-IT segment, with consolidated revenue reaching Rs 657 crores.
IIM Shillong placements records highest CTC of 71.5 lakh. The placement season for the PGP batch of 22-24 at IIM Shillong witnessed remarkable success, with the highest CTC of 71.5 lakh per annum and an average CTC of 26.1 lakh per annum. Out of 283 students, 87 recruiters offered employment across various domains, including consulting and strategy, finance, sales and marketing, human resources and operations, and general management. The top 10% of students scored an average CTC of 43.1 lakh per annum, while the top 20% and top 50% secured Rs 38.43 lakh per annum and Rs 32.3 lakh per annum respectively. Notable recruiters include BCG, Bain & Company, Goldman Sachs, HSBC, JP Morgan Chase & Co, and Tata AIG among others. The placements underscored IIM Shillong's reputation and the students' capability in the industry.
Next, corporate India's big push for diversity. Companies intensify efforts to recruit women from entry level. Corporate India is intensifying efforts to enhance gender diversity, particularly at the entry level, with companies like RPG Group, Deloitte, Tata Steel, Amazon, and Zenov leading the charge. Measures include boosting diversity hiring at campuses, incentivizing recruitment agencies to provide high potential female candidates, and creating networking platforms. RPG Group ensures 40% of B School intake are diversity hires, while Deloitte aims for 50% women at entry level. Tata Steel targets 20% diverse workforce by 2025, with 40 to 45% entry-level hires being women. Zenov aims for 50% gender diversity by 2030 and focuses on retaining women in consulting during critical years. Amazon facilitates industry-ready early career women tech talent through platforms like Amazon Wow and Amazon Wit. These efforts reflect a collective push to create a more inclusive workforce and drive gender parity in corporate India.
SBI's 85% hires to be engineering graduates in FY25. In FY25, SBI plans to onboard approximately 12,000 freshers, with 85% being engineering graduates. This aligns with the bank's focus on technology-driven banking services. After training, these hires will be placed in various business and IT roles. This move reflects the increasing reliance of the banking sector on technology. SBI emphasizes continuous training to stay ahead in technology with a significant investment in tech skills development. While specific figures on tech spending weren't disclosed, SBI's investment in technology is reportedly higher than the industry average of 7 to 8% of operational expenses.
Competitions are the new thing for targeted hiring at India Incorporated. Competition-based hiring is gaining momentum in India, with approximately 12 to 15% of fresh recruits being hired through games, challenges, quizzes, and other competitions. This approach significantly reduces recruitment costs and streamlines the selection process. Companies like Verdis, Infosys, and AB InBev are leveraging competitions to identify and engage top talent, particularly in fields like data science, machine learning, and sustainability. For instance, Tredence's demand forecasting model challenge evaluated candidates' analytical skills and problem-solving abilities. Similarly, AB InBev's 100 challenge received applications from 13,000 students, fostering innovation and community contributions. This trend reflects a strategic shift in contemporary talent acquisition strategies, offering advantages in identifying individuals with exceptional skills and aligning the company's missions and values. Companies like Matrix Partners India, ConnectWise, One Solution have also used GeeksforGeeks assessment platform and hiring challenge platform in the recruitment processes, resulting in greater efficiency, less cost expenditure per hire, minimum timing, and a boost in brand visibility.
Now, let's shift gears and explore some of the most enticing job opportunities available at the Geeks4Geeks job portal. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. First up, we have an exciting opportunity for a software engineer X Delivery at Boston Consulting Group. As part of BCG's X Delivery team, you will work closely with consulting teams on a diverse range of advanced topics. You must have proven expertise in developing pixel project UIs with proficiency in React, Angular, TypeScript, HTML5, and CSS3. Next, we have another opening at BCG for a data engineer. The ideal candidate should have a good understanding of DevOps, CI/CD pipelines, orchestration, and containerization tools like Docker and Kubernetes, along with a basic understanding of machine learning methodologies and pipelines.
Now we have openings for freshers and interns at Verdis, where they're looking for a business analyst to analyze and model large data sets, present actionable insights, and improve data processes using Python, SQL, and Excel. Verdis leverages AI to revolutionize supply chains, reducing waste and boosting efficiency. Next up, join the NDB team at Nutanix as a QA automation engineer, where you will develop and enhance automation frameworks, execute detailed test plans, and automate test cases to ensure high-quality releases. Required skills include Python programming, experience with enterprise software automation, and familiarity with cloud services from Azure and AWS.
Last but certainly not the least, Karen seeks a lead solutions engineer with strong functional verification skills, system Verilog, and UVM experience, and expertise in AMBA protocols. The role involves environment planning, test plan generation, and development, requiring proficiency in Verilog, VHDL, C, C++, and Python. Desirable skills include familiarity with Cadence tools, ARM CPU architectures, SOC verification, and formal verification.
So there you have it, folks. Be sure to visit the Geeks4Geeks job portal using the link in the description and explore more such exciting job opportunities.
Stay tuned for future episodes as we continue to bring the latest updates in the dynamic world of tech. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more such weekly updates.